Let's take a look at the new tax law that allows you to potentially deduct up to $10,000 of auto loan interest for the year. Let's talk about it. So yes, you guys guessed it. This is a part of the big, beautiful tax bill, and it is literally affecting people on their tax returns right now. And let me tell you guys something. I have had a lot of questions in office about this specific deduction already. So let's clear it up because there are a couple of points that we really need to make clear so that you understand whether or not you qualify for this deduction. So the first qualifying factor for this deduction is when you bought the car. You're going to have to buy a brand new car between 2025 and 2028 because those are the qualifying years for this deduction. So the second factor in determining qualification is if the final assembly of the vehicle was actually done in the United States. And you can actually go onto the IRS website, click a link, type in your VIN, and it will tell you whether or not your car had its final assembly in the United States, because the IRS is making that a very strict requirement in order to start claiming this deduction. Now, the other two things that are worth noting is that if you are a single tax filer, you start to phase out the deduction at $100,000 of modified adjusted gross income or $200,000 for married filing jointly. The other thing here is that this car has to be under the weight of 14,000 pounds, which I would find it very hard for someone to find a 14,000 pound plus personal use vehicle. But the IRS does have it in the code here that it needs to weigh under 14,000 pounds. So let me be very clear, because I think this is an amazing deduction. There are many other amazing deductions that are coming out with a big, beautiful tax bill. This one is a great one. But I will say this, guys, do not use this deduction as an excuse to just go buy a brand new car. If you're not ready to buy a $50,000 brand new car or 40,000, whatever it is, if you're not ready for that, if you're not at that phase of life, this is not an excuse to go buy a brand new car. Although this is going to help a lot of people that were already planning on buying a new car or people that just did, it's not an excuse to go buy a brand new car. This is going to help those that did, but please, guys, be careful. Do not use this as an incentive to go put yourself in a bunch of bad debt.